Hi, everybody. It's Nick here from American College in Norway. I am really busy right now making sure that our digital open house is going to be a great success. I'm getting all the content ready. I'm getting your emails, signing up for it, all of that stuff. But I wanted to remind you that by tomorrow, Wednesday, March 17th, we need you to send an email that you want to join the open house. The reason for this is because we will be sending online access. You'll need to make a small little profile for it, and we'll send you all those directions. It's going to be very easy to do. However, in order for it to be successful, we need you to register in advance. So please send an email to me, nick@americancollege.no. I'll put all the descriptions and everything down below, but please do that by tomorrow. We have a ton of people signed up already for the open house, and the fun thing about this year's open house is because it's online, it is open to everyone. It is free and it is open to anyone in the entire world. So we have many prospective students from Norway that have signed up. We have students from the United States that have signed up. So it's going to be a great event. And we have some really great material lined up for you. We have students that currently study at ACN that are going to speak to you. We also have students that have gone to the United States, that have graduated and are back in Norway with some pretty cool jobs. And we're going to also hear from study abroad students that spent time studying abroad in Norway at ACN. Among the other stuff, you're going to hear from people like me and our executive director, Krista Larson, and our student advisor, Ayla Rubenstein, about what it's like at ACN, what you do at ACN throughout the year, and how we really help you get ready to go into the U.S., or what it's like for you to be an American, to study abroad in Norway, and all that stuff. So we really would encourage you to sign up for the open house if you're interested. It's going to be a great event. Tons of information, and you'll also have a chance to ask a lot of questions to these people, and you'll also hear from an instructor at American College Norway. So you'll really get a full overview in that 2-hour time period on Friday night. So we hope to see you, and sign up by tomorrow. See you very soon, everyone.